Are you tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Struggling to boost your metabolism despite eating right and exercising? If so, you need to hear about Nagano Fat Burning Tonic, a powerful, all-natural formula inspired by the ancient Japanese secret to fat loss. Stay tuned as we uncover how this revolutionary supplement can help you burn fat naturally, enhance your metabolism, and transform your weight loss journey. And don't just take our word for it. Hear from real women who have experienced amazing results. Nagano Fat Burning Tonic is a scientifically formulated supplement designed to boost metabolism, increase fat oxidation, and support digestive health, all while being gentle on your body. Inspired by a centuries-old Japanese formula, this tonic helps your body convert stored fat into energy, so you can naturally lose weight without extreme dieting or intense workouts. With its powerful plant-based ingredients, this supplement supports a healthy metabolism, balanced blood sugar levels, and improved digestion, making it a game-changer in the world of weight loss. Accelerates fat burning, helps break down stubborn fat and use it as energy, boosts metabolism, speeds up your body's natural calorie burning process, reduces cravings, helps control appetite and prevent overeating, supports digestion, aids gut health and promotes a healthy digestive system, increases energy levels, keeps you feeling active and refreshed all day long. And the best part? It's 100% natural, stimulant-free, and safe for daily use. Click the link in the description below to order your bottle today. Nagano Fat Burning Tonic is packed with a unique blend of Japanese-inspired ingredients that work together to supercharge fat loss naturally. EGCG from green tea, a potent antioxidant that enhances metabolism and fat oxidation. Ginger root extract supports digestion and reduces inflammation, making fat burning more effective. Turmeric helps balance blood sugar levels and prevents fat accumulation. Black pepper extract enhances nutrient absorption, maximizing the benefits of other ingredients. Fucoxanthin, a powerful fat-burning compound that targets stubborn fat cells. Together, these ingredients create a synergistic effect, helping you melt away fat naturally and safely. Click the link in the description below to order your bottle today. Still wondering if it works? Listen to these real women share their life-changing experiences with Nagano Fat Burning Tonic. Jessica, 42, woman from Texas, says, "I was skeptical at first, but within 2 weeks I noticed a huge difference. My energy levels skyrocketed, and I lost 8 pounds without changing my diet drastically. My clothes fit better, and I feel more confident than ever." Sarah, 36, woman from California, says, "Nagano Fat Burning Tonic is a lifesaver. I struggled with stubborn belly fat for years, but after using this supplement for a month, I've lost 12 pounds and my metabolism feels faster than ever. Plus no side effects." Emily, 47, woman from Florida, says, "After turning 45, losing weight became impossible until I found Nagano Fat Burning Tonic. I've lost 15 pounds in 2 months, and I feel lighter, healthier, and more energetic than I have in years." Are you ready to burn fat effortlessly, boost your metabolism, and regain your confidence? Thousands of women are already seeing incredible results with Nagano Fat Burning Tonic. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below to order your bottle today. Don't wait. Take control of your weight loss journey and start seeing real results with Nagano Fat Burning Tonic. Your dream body is just one step away. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay confident, and keep shining.